Ever wondered what are the coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of Amazon's most unique and thrilling gadgets. Our mission is to guide you through these technological wonders, one gadget at a time, showcasing their unique features and what makes them stand out in the crowded marketplace. So, buckle up, gadget enthusiasts, as we dive into the world of Amazon's coolest gadgets. First on our list is the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. This isn't just any ordinary mug, it's a pioneering piece of technology. Ever had your coffee go cold before you could finish it? With the Ember Smart Mug, that will be a thing of the past. This innovative gadget can keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours on end. What sets it apart is its smart LED indicator, which gives you a visual cue about the temperature of your drink. But that's not all. You can customize its settings through a mobile app, making it a truly personalized experience. Users rave about its functionality and sleek design, calling it a game changer for coffee and tea lovers. And for the price, it's a steal. So if you want to enjoy your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature, this smart mug might be just the gadget you need. Next up, we have the Anker 3-in-1 wireless charging station. This isn't just any charging station, it's a powerhouse. It has the ability to charge 3 devices simultaneously. That's right, your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods can all power up at the same time. And it's not just limited to Apple products. This versatile device is compatible with a range of gadgets, from Samsung to Google devices. The Anker 3-in-1 wireless charging station is not just functional, it's also beautifully designed. With its sleek, minimalistic design, it's sure to add a touch of elegance to any desk or bedside table. It's been widely praised by users for its efficiency and design. And when it comes to price, it offers remarkable value for its capabilities. So if you're a tech enthusiast who owns multiple gadgets, this charging station is a must-have. It's a game changer that brings convenience and style right at your fingertips. Third on our list is the JBL Flip 5 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. This nifty gadget is a game changer for music enthusiasts. With its superior sound quality, it promises to deliver a powerful, immersive audio experience. The crisp, clear sound it produces will make your favorite songs sound even better. But the features of this Bluetooth speaker go beyond just great sound. Its waterproof design makes it a perfect companion for beach outings or pool parties. Rain or shine, this speaker won't let you down. What's more, it boasts a long battery life. You can play your favorite tunes for up to 12 hours without needing to recharge. It's a perfect fit for those long road trips or outdoor adventures. Customers rave about its user-friendly design and the richness of the sound it delivers. And for its price, it's a steal. This speaker is perfect for music lovers who want to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go. Last, but certainly not least, is the Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery HD security camera. This compact yet powerful gadget is making waves in the world of home security, and it's not hard to see why. The Ring Stick-Up Cam serves as your own personal sentry, ready to alert you to any activity with its motion-activated notifications. This is not just any old security camera. The Ring Stick-Up Cam delivers crisp, clear, high-definition video straight to your smartphone, tablet, or PC. So, whether you're across the room or across the globe, you can keep an eye on your home with the tap of a button. But the features don't stop there. This smart camera is also compatible with Alexa. That means you can control it with your voice, adding a layer of convenience that's hard to beat. Want to see who's at the door? Just ask Alexa. Now let's talk user reviews. The Ring Stick-Up Cam has been praised for its easy installation, excellent video quality, and reliable notifications. And with a price point that won't break the bank, it's no wonder this gadget is earning rave reviews from users. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have noted that the battery life could be improved. But overall, the consensus is clear. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery HD security camera packs a punch when it comes to home security. For anyone looking to enhance their home security, this smart camera is a great choice. And there you have it, 4 of the coolest and most unique gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Let's take a moment to revisit these amazing finds, shall we? First off, we had the Smart Mug. It's not just your run-of-the-mill mug. This one keeps your beverage at the ideal temperature for hours, ensuring you never have to sip lukewarm coffee or tea ever again. It's a perfect companion for those long nights at work or leisurely weekend mornings. Next up was the wireless charging station, a sleek and efficient solution for all your charging needs. It's a versatile gadget that can power up multiple devices simultaneously, reducing clutter and making your workspace more organized. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it a must-have in today's digital world. Then we explored the portable Bluetooth speaker. Compact yet powerful, this little device can fill a room with high-quality sound. Whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing at home, this speaker is sure to enhance your audio experience. And with its portable design, you can take your favorite tunes with you wherever you go. Last but not least, we delved into the smart home security camera. Its advanced features offer peace of mind, knowing your home is secure. With clear visuals, motion detection, and real-time alerts, you can keep an eye on your home no matter where you are. These gadgets are not just cool and unique, they also offer practical solutions to everyday problems. They're all about making life a little bit easier and a lot more enjoyable. Remember, these are just a small glimpse into the vast world of gadgets available on Amazon. There are countless other innovative and interesting products waiting for you to discover. So why wait? Go ahead and explore these gadgets on Amazon today. Until next time, keep exploring the world of cool gadgets.